This one, I believe, is a new model. It's called the Shuttle, right? Shuttle. Very interesting name here. So we got a box within a box. There we go. Take a closer look in here, right? Got the nice little green sort of leather pouch going on, right? And then let's see what we got inside. We got some paperwork. We have a, I think this is some paracord. Yeah, that's nice. They give you some complimentary paracord right there. We have another Molsect sticker. We have some wiping cloth. And then here is the knife, ladies and gentlemen. Some silica gel. Bada bing, bada boom. Right, that's your unboxing experience. Go ahead and take a look at the shuttle and see what it's all about. But, oh man, listen, first impressions, I am struck by how lightweight this is. Definitely feels pretty lightweight here, to say the least. I'm absolutely loving that. So from what I understand, we have aluminum handles on this one, right? And there are no, I want to say, do we have liners or not? We're going to take a look and see, but it feels so lightweight. We got aluminum backspacer. We have this black and gold combination going on here. A very good alignment, and a deep pocket carry clip, which does not seem to be reversible on a ambidextrous friendly crossbar lock knife. It's probably a missed opportunity there for my lefties out there. Got a linear hole, right, going through both sides here. And yeah, again, rocking the nice little color combo, right? All the hardware and everything is gold. Right, this was kind of maybe a little bit closer to an orange gold. But yeah, captive pivot, right? Molsect logo here on the blade. Let's go ahead and deploy this bad boy, see what this blade is all about. Bam! Okay, listen. This one is something a little bit different, something a little out of the ordinary here. We got, what, a clip point blade, buoy blade, right? Fight me in the comments if you disagree. This is an interesting, right, blade, because we have what seems to be almost borderline tanto, but not quite. We got belly here with a bit of a recurve portion. Let's absolutely zoom in so you guys can see what we're working with here, right? A little bit closer. So this is the geometry right here, ladies and gentlemen. We have a flat grind, right? All blacked out blade. And of course, everyone's favorite budget steel these days, 14C, 28N. So it's a nice little, you know, combo here, right? Giving you somewhat of a premium feel with the aluminum on the handle, and, you know, the budget steel on the blade should be, you know, on the affordable end of things. Checking out the action here. Oh man, that is smooth. Look at this. Like, I'm not even having to, like, I don't even have to flick my wrist all that much. Like, it just returns so smoothly. So those ball bearings are absolutely, yeah, these are absolutely dialed, right? Very nice and smooth operation there, to say the least. Thumb studs, oh yeah, thumb stud deploy all day. Reverse flick with the nail, which is my favorite. Absolutely can do that all day. All right, so all deployment options here are money, right? 1000%. Loving that, digging that. Bam, boom. Oh yeah, absolutely, ladies and gentlemen. And also, the handle being all nice and curved, that feels really good on the hand. So as you're holding onto a knife like this, it actually feels very comfortable on the hand. Backspacer obviously feels, make sure there's no gap there, so it feels really, really comfortable. Hammer grip here with my average size hands, right? I got good purchase real estate here, and I can forward choke if I wanted to. We have a little bit of a finger choil situation going on here. Love to see that, and also some jimping on the blade. So position right here feels really, really good. Or we could even put the thumb on here like that, and that actually feels really good as well. So that's good, right? All different grips here, all different positions feel nice. And I'll tell you, man, that this is a very interesting knife through and through, and it feels super, super comfortable. I do feel the pocket clip a little bit. It has a little bit of, it's a little bit on the longer side. Maybe something a tad bit shorter would have been nicer. Again, just nitpicking at this point, but that feels like a good, I'm gonna give it a good solid 9 out of 10 right there. Yep, that feels good. So ergos are nice. The action, right, is where it takes the cake. So smooth. You know, there are different crossbar locks, right? Something like this one is tuned for a stronger flick of the wrist, so it wouldn't necessarily, you know, it has a nice little drop here, right? But some require a little bit more force on the open. This one is tuned so that, you know, you don't really need all that much flick of the wrist to open and close, because the ball bearings are so nice and efficient at what they do. So yeah, needless to say, these are going to be very, very fidgety, no doubt about it, especially if you already love a good old crossbar lock. This one is absolutely going to check that box. The nice aluminum scales here feel pretty good. So I had a feeling we had liners here from the beginning, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but there it is. All right, it's easier to see here, the line for the liner on this side. Same thing now on the other side, you can see the line. The liners are all blacked out too, so almost fooled me there for a second, but I did realize there's a little bit of pull here, right, from those liners that you don't get obviously from the outside, being aluminum and all. So yeah, they still managed to put some steel liners on there, and I don't know how they still managed to make it so lightweight. You could have told me those weren't steel liners and I would have believed you. The other thing I'm seeing here too, probably see it better from this end or just the way I had it. You can see 4 dots for the adjustment on the Omega spring. Same thing on the other side, right? We can see them there, very similar to Kaiser's clutch lock, right? We can adjust the tension on the Omega springs for the crossbar lock. So that's nice to see that more and more brands are doing that as a standard on their crossbar lock knives. So yeah, very lightweight, very awesome action paper. Oh yeah. And one of the benefits of the recurve portion is that it's going to trap material. And yeah, this one's going to be an absolute slicer. Also pretty thin blade as well, almost a full flat grind. So bam, boom. Also can do a little stabby do action here with a nice and pokey tip right there. As far as same piece of cardboard, cutting diagonally as well. I'm forward choking here, right, getting a good grip on it. It feels nice and comfortable, so it looks something like this. Oh man, come on now. Hard to tell between these two because both of them are actually cutting so good. Super slicey. Both of them absolutely annihilated that cardboard, without a doubt. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.